Hey, if yesterday was about writing smarter prompts, today is about smarter workflow. Chat first and don't prompt too much. Most people jump straight into and keep doing back and forth by asking it to do multiple things. Today, we are going to see how we are going to utilize chat to ensure that number of tokens utilized are also optimized. At the same time, we get the results what we are looking for. So let's get into one of the websites that we created yesterday. Let me get into the Italian one. Now, the Italian has some words which are in Italian and some in English. Right now, I want to have the language drop down so that whoever the people are, right, coming from whichever country, they should be able to read and understand. For example, let's say somebody is coming from France and they don't know English very well. I'm just saying, no offense. While we are going to chat to have different languages as a drop down on the website, people coming from any part of the world or at least coming from the Europe are able to read in their language. So let's chat. And if you've seen, I've chosen the chat option, chat tab, not the dev. Now, here is what I say. My target audience, that is the tourists, could be from anywhere in Europe. So I need to have language drop down and for all European languages. Let's go to, let me actually look at this and see what happens. Okay, let's look at the results. You need to answer whether you want to enable the database. Yeah, let's say we want to enable the database and use there are multiple options here. Easy site, superbase, custom database, or text default, which is built in. Okay, database has been updated. All right, so it has generated this prompt, and let us apply now so that we have this website with multiple languages options. See what's happening? By chatting first, the AI understands the brand, audience, and the goal, and the build becomes a clean execution, not a guessing game. So it has added this language dropdown. Now here's your day three challenge. Pick one idea, chat your way to a plan, sitemap, design direction, key copy, and must-have features. Then ask it to build one page from that plan. Need help? Drop your idea and your chat plan in the comments. Tomorrow we'll turn that plan into a full page with responsive tweaks and best practices without wasting time or tokens. Subscribe now and activate the notification by pressing the bell icon. Tomorrow on day 4, let's buy code smarter, not harder.